Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify WorldCoin account with passport. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the World app, and once you're inside, tap on World ID option at the bottom right. You'll see options like Verify Humanity and Claim your WorldCoin. What you want to do is tap on Verify. If there are no orbs available in your country, you can still proceed by selecting Verify Now. When orbs are not available nearby, the app will give you an alternative option to verify using your passport. On the other hand, if you are close to an orb, you would choose the option I am with an orb and then follow the on-screen prompts, agree to the terms, and scan with the orb. But for users who don't have access to an orb, the passport verification option will appear instead, allowing you to confirm your identity. And that's it. So that's basically how you can verify WorldCoin account with passport. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.